Introducing BlueNexus by the award-winning underwater robotics company Blue. BlueNexus is your cordless wall-climbing intelligent pool cleaner, your hassle-free solution to a cleaner and pristine pool. Just drop the BlueNexus in your pool and let it do its work. The cordless BlueNexus features over 12 sensors that can avoid obstacles and, most importantly, not scuff up your pool walls. Say goodbye to scratches or scuffs on your beloved pool. GeoGuru, our proprietary pool map planning and navigation system, ensures precise positioning, giving you a faster, more powerful deep clean without missing an inch. Whether your pool is round, square, or sloped, or fiber, BlueNexus got you covered. BlueNexus will scan your pool and plan a path accordingly. With 4 smart nodes, you decide how you want to clean your pool with just one tap, or customize and control it yourself. Featuring a dynamic rolling brush design with a granule filtration system, all the dirt, debris, and fine particles will be captured by BlueNexus and prevented from flowing back to the pool. BlueNexus can climb walls and clean drains with ease. It helps you scrub the water line and saves you time from scrubbing it yourself. No hassle, more convenient pool cleaning, all at your fingertips. With 28,500 milliamp hour and an advanced BMS chip, BlueNexus can clean for a full 210 minutes on just one full charge. The charging time is only 3.5 hours, which can satisfy your pool cleaning for a week. Once the cleaning is complete, BlueNexus will automatically float where you dropped it off. The easy-to-clean basket design makes it even better. Your BlueNexus will continuously improve with its regular OTA updates. With 2 successful Kickstarter campaigns under our belt, we're excited to bring you our newest product, BlueNexus, the new generation of pool cleaners. BlueNexus. Cordless, smart, and spotless cleaning.